Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 29 weather report revision. So now let's learn about our topic. Monsoon. So here we can see a photograph of monsoon. So you all know that it rains the most during the monsoon season. Monsoon, monsoon. So a monsoon is a traditionally a seasonal reversing wind accompanied by corresponding changes in the participation, but it is now used to describe seasonal change in atmospherical circulation and precipitations associated with the asymmetric heating of land and sea. So, monsoon is a season. It rains the most during in the monsoon, and you all know everything was a wait, and mostly in a season of monsoon is strong wind. We see strong wind and full day rains are raining. So, childrens, you all are understand about monsoon. So now we are going to learn next slide. What is monsoon? So, what is monsoon? So here we can see a photograph of monsoon time. People wear raincoat and also umbrellas. So, a monsoon is a seasonal change in the direction of the prevailing wind, and this wind shift typically brings about a market change in local weather. So, a monsoon is a seasonal change in the direction of the prevailing wind, and this wind shift typically brings about a market change in local weather. So, childrens, you all are understand about weather. What is weather or a monsoon? So, monsoon is a seasonal change, and in it rains the most during in the monsoon. So, childrens, you all are understand about monsoon. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's afternoon. So the other name for midday is noon or afternoon. So here we can see afternoon time. So in after 12 p.m. is equal to good afternoon or a noon, and have a good night only said when saying goodbye after 5 p.m. So, but usually only after 9 or 10 p.m. always means goodbye for the last time tonight and sleep well, etc. So, good evening said anytime after 5 p.m. and either for a greeting or for a goodbye. So, afternoon or a noon is the other name for a midday. So, the other name for the midday is noon. So, childrens, you all are understand what is noon. After 12 p.m., we call good afternoon or a noon. So, now we are going to learn next slide, and it's a thunder. thunder, thunder. So here we can see a photograph of thunder. So we can hear thunder when there is a storm. So here we can see a photograph of strong wind and thunderstorm from when warm moist air rises into cold air and the warm air become a cooler, and which causes moisture called water vapor to form small water droplets, and a process called uh, condensation, and these critic of a rising and falling air is called a convection cell. If this happiness, a small amount could will form. Amount a cloud will form. So thunderstorm from when warm moist air rises into cold air and the warm air become a cooler, which causes moisture called water vapor to form small water droplets, a process called a condensation, and these cur- cur- circuit of rising and falling air is called a convection cell. If this happens, a small amounts of cold or cloud will form. So we can hear thunder when there is a storm. So storm, and we can hear a thunder sound. So children, you all are understand about thunder sound. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a thunderstorm. So, what is a thunderstorm? Thunderstorm is a form of water characterized by the presence of lightning and its accompanying effect, thunder. So, the meteorologically assigned cloud type associated with the thunderstorm is the cumulonimbus, uh, and thunderstorms are usually accompanied by a strong wind, heavy rains, and snow and hail. So, at any given time, there are an estimated 2000 thunderstorms in a process, mostly in a tropical and subtropical latitudes. So about 45,000 thunderstorms take place each day. So thunderstorm is a form of water characterized by the presence of the lightning and its accounting effect. It's a thunder. So, thunderstorms are usually accompanied by the strong wind, heavy rain, snow, and hail. So, at any given time, there are an estimated 2000 thunderstorms in a process, mostly in tropical and subtropical latitudes. So, children, you all are understand what is a thunder, and when we hear a thunder sound, so there is a storm. So we can hear a thunder sound. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a thunderstorm. So every thunderstorm, so here we can see a photograph of thunderstorm. So every thunderstorm produces lightning, and there is a wet thunder and dry thunder, the difference being whether or not rain in a processed. So warm and humid conditions favor thunderstorm, and only 10% of thunderstorms are classified as a serve, and you change of being struck by lightning is 1 in 6 0 0 0 0. So, every thunderstorm produce a lightning, and there is a wet thunder and dry thunder, and the difference being a weather or not rain and the produced. So warm and humid conditions favor thunderstorm. So, childrens, and now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's lighting. Lightning, lighting. So, the flash of light we can see in the sky during a storm and is called lighting. The flash of light we see in the sky during a storm is called lighting. So, lighting is a naturally occurring electrostatic discharge during which two electricity change region in the atmosphere or ground temporarily equalize themselves, causing the instantaneous release of much as a gigajoule of energy. So, lighting is flash of light we see in the sky during a storm. So, childrens, what is a lighting? And when we see lighting, so lighting is a flash of light and we see in the sky during the storm. So here also we can see a photograph of lighting. So childrens, now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a lighting. So lighting is also an electric spark but on a huge scale. So it's on electric spark but on huge scale, and in ancient times, people did not understand that the case of spark, and they were therefore afraid of lighting, and through that the wrath of gods was visiting them. So, in ancient times, people did not understand the case of spark, and they were therefore afraid of lighting, and thought that the wrath of God was visiting them. And lighting is caused by the accumulation of changes in the cloud. So, lighting is also electric spark, but on the huge scale, and we can see during the storm a flash of light, and it's called a lighting. So, childrens, now next, dew. So, here we can see a photograph of dew. So, here we can see a photograph of dew. So, in the morning, we see dew on leaves and flowers. So, dew is a water in the form of droplets that appears on a thin exposed object in the morning or evening due to condensation. As the exposed surface cools by radiating its heat, and atmospheric moisture condenses at a rate greater than that as which it can evaporate, and resulting in the formation of water droplets. So, dew is a water in the form of a droplets that appears on a thin exposed object in the morning or evening due to a condensation. So, in the morning, we see dew on leaves and flowers. So, children, you all are understand about dew. So, now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's also dew. So, condensation of surface when temperature falls to the dew point temperature and often occurs on cold clear nights in areas often to the sky often occurs on the cold clear nights in areas often to the sky. Why surface emits infrared radiation to space cooling surface. So dew forms when temperature drops to the dew point. So, in the morning or evening, we see dew on leaves and flowers. Now, storm, storm, storm. So, trees and plants bear a fast and strong wind is called storm. A fast and strong wind is called storm. So here we can see also photograph of storm, and we see here that a strong and fast wind. So a storm is any disturbed state of an environment or in an astronomical body's atmosphere, especially affecting its surface and strongly implying serve water. And a storm is a violent meteorological phenomena in which there is a heavy rain and a wind due to moisture in the air, and hail and lightning are also common in storm. So more rarely tornadoes can occur in storm. So a storm is any disturbed state of an environment or in an astronomical body's atmosphere, especially affecting its surface and strongly implying serve water. And a storm is a violent meteorological phenomena in which there is a heavy rain and wind due to a moisture in the air. Hail and lightning are also common in a storm. So, children, you all are understand about the storm, and a fast and strong wind is called storm. What is storm? So, a storm is occurs when there is a disturbance or something bad is happening in the atmosphere. So a storm is coming. So a storm occurred when there is a disturbance or something bad is happening in the atmosphere. So it's called storm. Now spring, spring, spring. So here we can see a spring season. So trees and plants bear a new leaves and flowers in the spring season. So spring is also known as springtime, is one of the four temperate season succeeding winter and preceding summer. So there are various technical defining definitions of spring. There is a various technical definition of spring, but local use of the term varies according to local climate, cultures, and customs. So, spring season or in a spring, the days grow longer and the air gets warmer. In the some places the weather is rainy. Birds build their nest and lays egg, and many new animals are born. Plant and trees are being to bird. So in a spring, the days grow longer, the air gets warmer in some place, weather is rainy, birds build nest and lay eggs, and many new animals are born. Plants and trees are begun to bud. So it's a springtime, and that's why uh, days are longer, and some places of weather is rainy, birds build nests, and plants and trees are to begin to bloom, and spring season latest from March 21 to June 21, and this season usually has a most severe weather. Now new plants begin to appear during this season, and the cycle of life start. So this season or a spring season is a happy season or a happy time, and days are longer, and also new animals are come, and birds build their nest, so flower and leaves are growing. So children's, you all are understand about springtime. So now next, rain gauge. So what is a rain gauge? So a rain gauge is a help us to measure rainfall. So here we can see a photograph of rain gauge. So a rain gauge is an instrument used by meteorologists and hydrologists to gather and measure the amount of liquid uh, precipitations over the area in a predefined period of time. So, a rain gauge measure rainfall, and use of rain gauge. So, study of water resources and used to design water harvesting structures and measure intensity of rainfall, and help collecting information of rainfall with respect to time. So rain gauge is used to design water harvesting structure, measure intensity of rainfall, and help collecting information of rainfall with respect to time. And here we can also see various types of rain gauge. So it's a recording type or rain gauge, a recording type rain gauge. So it's the most commonly used rain gauge, having a collector surface, and second is non-recording type rain gauge. So a well calibrated system having a equipment to record on its own. So childrens, you all are understand about this slide. So now we are going to learn exercise on it. So childrens, you all are right with me. Unit number 29, weather report. So fill in the blanks. First, it rains the most during the blank season. So, which season in rain the most? And people walking with umbrellas. So, it's a monsoon. Very good. So, in a monsoon, people walking with umbrellas. Okay, now number 2. The other name for midday is blank. So, what is the other name for a midday? So, it's a noon. So, noon is other name of midday or other name for a midday. Okay, now number 3. We can hear blank when there is a storm. So, what we can hearing when there is a storm? So, we hear a thunder sound. When there is a storm. Okay, now number 4. The flash of light we see in the sky during a storm is called a flash of light we see in the sky during the storm and it's called lightning. So it's a lightning we see in the sky during the storm. So children, you all are understand. So now we are going to learn next slide and number 5. In the morning we see blanks on leaves and flower. So what we see in the morning on leaves and flowers? So it's a dew or also water droplets on leaves. So in the morning we see dew or a water droplets on leaves and flowers. Very good. So now number 6. A fast and strong wind is called. So a fast and strong wind is called a storm. Okay, now number 7. Trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers in the blank season. So, in which season trees and plants bear new leaves or a bloom? So, it's a spring season. In a spring, trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers. Okay, very good. Okay, now number 8 and last, a rain gauge help us to measure. So a rain gauge helps us to measure rainfall. So rainfall measurement helping a rain gauge. So children, you all are enjoy. Hope you all are learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time. And also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly. Eat healthy food. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.